A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Guys, first thing first, we have a problem, and this problem is very serious. We need to press the like button so the video can get more recommended. The likes them weak. Alright, so first thing first, you know me I go come with a good content. So press up the like button on this video when I go come with. Press the like button and comment, after. Alright, so the story I know is about a man who gone overseas, married a Jamaican lady, and he say I go build life with her. First him saying here say she a give him bun. He give her the benefit I doubt and still work with it. See? Then he send him money for she go school for better herself. She never have the money, he give her the benefit I doubt. Then now, he give her money for start business. I mean I make on hear what happened. Right there, so. Remember, no go on, no. And the man left got Cayman for better in life for two of them. Alright, now this man traumatized and this man no go back in a no more relationship from that. So, I'm not gonna hear the brother up on the phone now, I'm a 52-year-old, and he's overseas, and him saying just want to share this story, kind. So, other stories were similar like for him. I could drive, and I could listen.
Me have this girl in Jamaica, see?
Mm-hmm.
No, go on. So me and my brother and I came on island, so I said things say, I want a little work, for better we sell because she said she want to do teaching.
Mm-hmm.
But me never have the money because me do some really hard job and it's still not hard up, with it.
Mm-hmm.
So, brother get a little work for me, so I get a little janitorial work, I go and do the thing. Lo and behold, I find out say, I start send her to school and think evening class,
Mm-hmm.
I think a girl go to evening class. The girl not gonna know a man. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, did they send money and everything for the girl, for she go,
So what on the girl you are, your baby mother, wife, girlfriend or?
Wife, me I tell you about
wife. Married. Oh, your wife you talk about?
Yeah, man, married everything, man. That me I tell you say nothing not go on for it, so that's why I get a little break.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So you're a Cayman, you reach a Cayman and you send the money come for she go back to school.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And she not going nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's so my brother said to me, say, one of my coworkers said to me, say, even if you send the money to Jamaica, we'll give a woman, I say, no, I can't do that, man, because, I'm my wife that already everything, so I can't do that.
Exactly.
Say, I tell me, I give me a horror story. I say, boy, this brother when they send money to Jamaica, I want a neighbor call him and tell him, say, he need to come in here when he go down there. I want money here in the house. When he knock on the door, man say things, say, no man not supposed to come here and knock at night time because them bolt the door from inside. Don't go man can't come there, man, from Cayman. And with him, that's the man telling me. The man wife me talk about, Yeah.
So well, me really man and knock do that I'm attack say.
That man in a house I tell him, me laugh off him man and now know say the same thing happened to me.
Right. Jesus God.
Me I tell the brother.
So take me now to your one now. After you find out say she nah go school and things, you confront her.
No, me there came on,
Mm-hmm.
Me there came on and me asked her where I go and she said she can't. So me said to her, say, if you not going to school, you're not supposed to make me know, say you're not going to wait, don't it?
Right.
She can't bother. So, I said to her, say, I don't like that saying there because the plan we have, I think say you don't there try execute,
Mm-hmm.
To make life better for both of us because janitorial thing is not my thing. I just had do it because I can't get nothing else to do. I mean, I don't have the qualification. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
So, I say, all right then, we're going to run a little business then. You know with it?
Mm-hmm.
So, I go and work and send them money, go gear. Take a stock, business start up and everything. A girl not keep no business, man. A money girl I keep down there. One night, somebody called me and tell me about it,
What?
So, I need to say, yeah, man, somebody called me and tell me about it, say, you man, I go and good, From you gonna pure hype. You understand me? Yeah, man, so, me no bother making no wiser, because you can't take it seriously and mash up your life, with it?
Right.
So I say, all right, me just go and hold it. Me no bring you up to her because me know what thing go say.
Yeah,
I
problem.
said people for watch her and
Right.
all of them sitting there.
Mm-hmm.
So me did go on. One day me said to my pastor, you understand me?
Mm-hmm.
So I need to go on here because me not sleep good and me not feel good. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So I tell the pastor if you go check her out and because I didn't get to marry everything like that.
Mm.
Pastor said, boy, you don't know if he said to me, but she will have to tell me. You understand me?
That the pastor said to you?
So me,
Mm-hmm.
So me, you know, you kind of get nervous in yourself. Me not even, me get so nervous, me a tremble, me really talk to you right now.
Yeah, man. Take it
say to
easy,
her,
man. Take it easy and control yourself. I understand. And everybody can
So
manage
me
them
say,
trauma there. All
yeah,
right.
man, I said to her, say, she, one night me call her about 2 o'clock in the night, because me not even get no sleep, me not even do my work good.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Because you're not comfortable, because you don't know what to go on.
Mm-hmm.
So she said to me, say, she call me to tell me, because people have it down there to say, she and this boy are there. I said, which boy are that? He said, Junior. I said, Junior. The boy used to come out to place all the while. She said, yes.
The boy where you said
I said,
what?
no.
Hold on, sorry. The boy.
Used to come around the yard. You understand me?
Him a like what? Andy man? Andy man like?
No, man. She, the boy and her niece was friend.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
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 But me never really put it on practice, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of boy when me really rate because a boy didn't get to man and go back to chat.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So me no want to run me. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
So I said to her, said the time when me call you answer, normally me call you, you sound like you're fast asleep. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
She said, no, like me just tell you this because people have if you say that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So me couldn't feel good now myself, you know, because me say, why would she tell me something like that after when me hear already, you know?
True.
So me come out in the morning, and my sister-in-law said to me, say, where you go? I say, me no feel good, you know. God know me no feel good, like me want sick.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me with it?
Mm-hmm.
She said, where could me hear on the phone talking early morning? He said, so, and you just come out and come in and live in hall and come out on the veranda. And she don't understand that it's not like me. So I start tell her. She said, you need to call back your wife, man. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So I said, me call her back. And say, what you said to me a while ago, you see?
Mm-hmm.
What you really mean? She just tell me because people say. You see, just tell me because people say. Me never ask you no question like that, you know. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
The man, the girl that have it in the yard, brother.
So hold on there. When you ask her, say, why she said that? She said she just tell you because people say so.
Because people say.
So, right there, so now, she done the conversation. Go on
the conversation.
Mm-hmm.
So me tell her, I say, I want you to do, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me know when me leave there, the man never left in the yard. So me no say, why? You can tell me no say, man, people say, man, man look at me and tell me say, the man better to she than me. If you know go so?
Well, and she tell herself on the phone said times that the man better to she than you.
Yeah,
Why I work hard in a Cayman and I send money for she build up business and plus she name off your money where you figure school. And she tell her that.
Yeah, I decide to start over, to start something different. Do you understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Since that no work out. So, I say, no, me I come home, you know. Me I go come home.
You start bother you.
Because me not. It start bother me, because me not, a boss decide to me, say, you know what, I really love that girl, you know, me I tell her the truth, you know.
Okay.
I really love that girl. I'm willing to go there. Because you know, me people, me tell me before, say, don't get real bad for that girl there.
Oh.
You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
My mother beg me like baby. Because the family of them not good.
Oh.
And I say, mother, you can't say that about this girl. Yeah, they have a sense of 7 brothers, 7 different men.
Mm-hmm.
So you can't take fear for it. And she started to give me the history. Because I don't know the history behind him.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, still go ahead and do it. So me say, me say to her, say, my mother did tell me before, say, all of this in the go happen. A woman look at me and tell me, say, if me shouldn't take what my mother say, and I'm married to her, you ever nothing go so? I feel like, me don't know if you tell him I feel like. Me say, me down the me all cut all bamboo,
Oh.
If make the girl, if make we live, because I say, me no have no skill or nothing. But me do all quality hard job because guess what happen? Me decide say, she me want. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Mother left a little change give me before she dead. And me spend out everything on her. Left me broke like church mouse. You understand me?
Oh.
So now me have to say to my brother, say, me no want to call and beg nobody nothing, because since you see you're married, you're not supposed to ask family for nothing, you're supposed to provide for yourself.
So also comes to the reach of Cayman. After you spend off all of the money on her, you decide to you want to go Cayman for try make things better.
Me don't have nothing else to live off of. And me no want did they look like. You understand me? So brother just buy the ticket for me and everything, and look about everything I'm work and I pay him back. You understand me?
Wow. Alright, so here we go now. More you take me to when you come down now in Jamaica now. Because you say you did have to come home. And you tell the boss.
Yeah, me have to come home because I tell the boss if you go home.
So when you come home, what now?
Yeah, man. I say to me, El Powder House, brother.
Yeah, man. That's what we want to hear now. Because
yeah, man. So, me decide say, she have to, that the relationship where she have in the car. You say you have to put up a fight for your relationship. But me realize, say, try getting with her in our workout. Kind of pure disrespect, on top of disrespect. You understand me? So, me lose everything, Everything me I tell you. Me not even go back to Jamaica.
No, man. Me know. But before I reach there, just talk to me what happened when I reach at Jamaica and you confront her. Yeah, man. How that going out? Yeah. You come back.
Confront her about it.
You come back at the yard. For your yard she did there.
Come back at my yard.
So you come back now and
back yard.
So talk to me about the first day. What happened now? Ready?
Me come down. So when me come down now, me come in, me realize that everything changes. When me left there, she was a natural girl. You understand me? She didn't have no makeup and all of them things, and everything changed. So me say, so what happened now? Because you make some speech when we did it, I never understand it. What you really mean? Say she want to leave. So me say, what happened to business and all of them things that we decide to do? She just want to leave. I fight too much, fight me, nothing at all,
So she said she want to leave. She just want to live. So she tell her say over.
She just want it over. So me say, what me do? Tell me what me do. Tell me what me do. You understand me? Tell me what me do. In case she just want to live, she just want to live. And when she live with everything.
No, she tell her that?
You understand? Yeah, man.
She said when she live with everything.
Everything. She want everything in her house.
Ooh. Alright, well, stick up in there. If you do your house, she never want the house though. She just want
No, she don't want the house.
Oh, she just
want the things in my house.
In her house.
The things in my house.
Okay.
So, I say I not get myself in a problem. You understand me? And me just say, you know what? Just take what you want and go on,
Right. Simple.
Just take what you want and go on. So, me take a stack. So, me say, if I go, you can go on. And me say, you know what? Me go good because we don't have my account. And me say, me go in the account now and see where I go on. Me say, the girl take out every cent. Not even a dollar.
Well,
you understand me?
Let's take up in this, my boss. Alright, so when you have an account, so how much money so did in your account? That's a fast little still. At the time.
No, man. At the time, remember, so me nothing that go on for me now. So me everything with me in the account in done. So when me start work now over year period. You know, say every week work, I stay with my brother. So me might just get a little thing for food. Me no buy nothing for myself.
So you send every money to your fish bank in your account?
Every cent. You understand me?
So your calculation would have been how much money you think say you'd lose? Like in total?
Over a million, more than $1 million.
More than $1 million. Wow.
Jamaican money.
Yeah, man, me understand. So everything gone, daddy? Everything where you work for in a Cayman where you send to your wife gone?
Me tell you, say, every cent, brother.
So where you come on back to?
Every cent. Then that me say me come home and can't go back to Cayman.
Jesus God, wow. So talk to me at the moment how you feel when she tell us when you realize everything done and reality lick you now. So she want left and the money done and she want to take everything out of her house to show you how the woman is bitter. How you feel as a man at the time?
Yeah, man, so well thought. Because I don't believe in that. But you know, always a play in my head. The parents said to me, say, don't do it. Understand me?
Alright guys, the part of every day are very emotional because the boss did that cry. Because I know say them thing really take it to heart and he did a pre take him 3 points right there so. But me and him talk and we try to continue the conversation. But like up the video guys, boy, you know, put some like and leave a comment and share the video. We can continue listening.
You talk to you right now, me I say, it bring tears to my eyes, me I tell you, brother.
Oh God, sorry about that, man. Sorry about that, my G.
Me try. You understand me? So me try, brother. I mean, I tell you, I don't know if me can go with the rest of the story, but...
Yeah, man, let's take a break and just relax, and, you know, yeah, sometimes we talk about them story and just to live back the moment, it hurt, because you see them type of thing that it carries you right back to your grave, and it haunt you for life.
Yeah, man.
Haunt you, and it make your heart for trust woman. For you, if you go give your heart to a woman now, bill with her, put her name in your bank book, it's hard for you to do that. Because you find somebody and build your life and tell yourself, say, listen, I want a future with that woman now. And that woman, yo, brother, she didn't even know. I cover them story enough time. Bad woman and you have bad man out there. And boy, sometimes I wish, I tell myself, so God, I don't want in none of them position, because them thing are hot, brother.
Hello. We come back, you know. So I come back, I say, me not feel, me not want to go back to Jamaica, you know, I tell you the truth, you know. I go back, I want to go back and I can't go back.
So what on there? Which way you then now talk to me?
Cayman.
Oh, you end up go back up a Cayman.
After 6 month time.
You come back a Cayman. Oh, so enough time you want to come to Jamaica, but you don't want to come.
You don't want to come, me I tell you say.
Oh God.
And that's why it kind of haunt me, you know with it?
Oh wow.
It just haunt me if you come back and look on the place and everything like that, you know?
Oh, cha.
It lost everything, brother, I tell you.
Oh God. Wow. So you not get back in a relationship from that, or what?
Me no know.
Okay.
Every time I think about it, it just bring back bad memories, you know?
Okay. So how much now as we speaking?
I'm 52 now.
52. So how long ago that happened?
3 years ago, you know.
3 years. A big woman. A big woman you talk about, uncle?
Yeah, no, she was 37.
37. Oh, wow. You come here because the younger girl, them always a give problem, man. Because this is the big woman, them, because you're 52. So you're 52, so she would have be 40 now.
Oh, that, me not think about her again. Me I try not to.
You try not to.
Me just a listen to the man's story.
Yeah.
And
You know much woman would want to have a real man like you for build with, brother. Me I tell you the truth. Would want a man. You open up business.
Me lose all my job, you know. You know, so me come back and lose all my job.
Jesus, God.
You understand me?
That's so much something you lose, man?
Yeah, me lose all my job, I mean. Today I do like landscaping. And then now I work out. One idea, boss, to ask me, say, when me do I work. You understand me? Because from that is like me can't function, me I tell you the truth.
You know if you function. Your life saving gone and your woman gone. And how your woman deal with you. You can't function, brother.
Yeah.
And you call somebody they love the girl, brother. Hearing your voice, you did love the girl.
I tell you.
So, you know, hear back from her from that, she just gone.
I'm just gone, you know. Me just let go everything, you know. Let go everything.
Okay.
Me just let go everything.
You never have no kids with her?
No.
Okay.
And if sad thing about it, she couldn't get pregnant, you know. I miss stick with the girl same way, you know.
Oh, she couldn't get
That's
pregnant.
the saddest part.
So you get kids?
She couldn't get. Me no get none either.
Whoa. What a wicked that man. Oh God, the girl rob you everything, brother. Rotted. Because you could have talked to one young at the so maybe so that's why you did talk to somebody more younger. Because maybe at the time you think so maybe me get it.
Right.
Yes, me understand you now. So you did that thing so maybe you could have get her pregnant and have a child with her, and she, even though she could have a
future we are planning.
Future.
It's a future we are planning.
Wow, me understand your story now. Me understand.
Me need a look now look no and then because me live the life there, me decide to myself, you know. Me not live the life no and some people are married and dead. You understand me? So my mother and father married for 49 years. Here when they go make 50 years that time ended. You understand me? And me decide say a day kind of life that me not go live no more righteous life. So I want to live a life where we pleasing both to God and man, you know? People live a legacy, so I want to live by that.
Live by it, yes. Good way, MG. And you sound like a man in your church to where, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Principle, man. Oh, God.
I tell you, brother.
Oh, God make you hear that. So, boy, the story that you hear.
I mean, not to know, to be honest, I wasn't looking for no story.
So, you just pop up on your phone or your TV?
No, me just didn't look on this my YouTube and it just pop on. I mean, just kind of foolishness is MIXUP.
Boss.
You understand me?
That's why your channel always catch people and then see name and say, kind of foolishness this. And when they start listening out, they say, right, where are you? This not normal. I go through something like this. Well, and through I put my number in they vlog them. So enough time when I see it and I say, alright, I reach out to him and share it. Because I know if I want to listen enough story and they touch you know. Because I have similar experience. You know?
So, the one they touch me today, man.
Yeah, man, the job at memory, man. The job at memory.
The job at memory, I mean, just...
You know, start.
You know,
52, you know? Boy. Brother, you might tell us a man. I don't want you to give up, though.
When somebody that tell me about your Cayman and me laugh off of them and I say, nothing can go so. When the man, when me look back, it said man, them out me at the time still. Actually, you don't know, me I'll backslide them in a telephone and say, I'm still a cuss bad word, you know.
Oh, you backslide? Oh, God.
Yeah, man, because I mean, I used to do this, but it didn't get me so upset.
Oh, God.
So me start to take up a lifestyle with me. But me never used to even do.
You make your drink?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you drink out for try to take it off your head and then something there.
Yeah, man. That's what I taste one night time. No, and then me get like a flashback in my mind. See, you know, it's we're living for, you know?
No, man. I said that, man. Let me tell you this. There's a woman out there for you. Don't give up. Don't give up, my boss. I mean, at 52, you maybe can't get no woman pregnant again. You maybe can't get no woman or whatsoever. And, you know, even though you're not a father, there is good woman out there said you're not daddy. Good woman out there said you're man. We can't use one bad Jamaican woman for fry. Everybody. Can't do that. You have genuine woman. You know much woman call me enough times say they want a good, genuine man. If woman then get a man like you, they would build life and happy. You know, they can't find a good man. I be a riff-raff. Them are fine. Man, we want to take from them. And the woman, me I look back on the story and the woman call and say if somebody tell her say she and XYZ then no go so. Cause people know. Cause people see you play. So that's why they did that give her heads up.
But she tell me when I look on him,
she a confess. She a confess.
If I name my sister-in-law, me wouldn't see it.
Exactly.
You understand me? Because she said to me, say, if the woman call you and tell you, say, they must say, man.
Oh, God.
You know, say, I tell you, woman, I tell you something.
I tell you, her conscience a ride high. So she want to come at you first.
And just say, I tell you.
Yeah.
I tell you. And she that tell me before, I hope you work and save the money here at Cayman, and I need to do that, you know.
That you should have done, man. That you should have done. Because when you tell me a story and then you go send out all of your money where you work and send out, the bank book empty. So, she and that the man, they enjoy that the money there. You know?
I mean, I like remember that.
Yeah, I know, man, but you know.
Not even like remember.
Channel Star. Wow. So eventually she did just take out everything and go and said, you left for the empty house.
Empty house.
What a girl heartless. People heartless, brother? No, sir. Brother, this is one I cruelest story me ever hear. One woman do a man. No, sir.
It's just because me not a violent person, and I just say just take it because you know when people it hard, so me say always I run a maid. You shouldn't just hear what your mother say.
Oh, that are running in your head until this day. Hear what your mother say.
This day.
Oh God.
And then she go tell me don't say, me shouldn't take what my mother say and I do it. Me say, why you never tell me that before?
Wow.
Basically, me and my mother followed over the same situation. You understand me? And she said, me not follow. And now you go tell me don't say. Me shouldn't follow what your mother say.
Oh God.
Because me I said to her, I say, I said to my mother, guess what? For them life, we didn't live on the most fair life that. You understand me? I defend her.
Which part of the girl I come from? The lady?
Spanish Town, man.
Spanish Town, okay.
Worst place me can find a girl, let me tell you.
Oh God.
Worst place me tell you.
How is she name?
She name Marie.
Marie, okay. I Marie cold though. Father God, John Star. Marie, I stop a man head. Oh boy, I tell you. Oh, I don't want you give up on.
Really share me sad stories.
No man, me accept it. Me like share them. Yeah, man.
Just feel like depressed and.
Yeah, and you sharing a story, sharing a story, and me put them out like a man too. Me get story with man a ball on the phone another day. Man a ball, literally ball. Yeah, man, and you know, we just deal with it away. Cause people hurt, man and woman, you know, and them story a whole heap of stories out there with people. You know, you so hear worse.
Yes, me subscribe to your channel, you know.
Yeah, man, subscribe to it, man.
Yeah, just subscribe, because I never subscribe. As I tell you, just maybe the algorithm bring it to it, you know, because I never look for nothing like that. I was looking, and when me hear it, I say me just feel down, and me just say nothing. Let me give you a little shout and hear what you have to say, you know?
Yeah, man. I'm sorry for hearing. As what you say, you should have heard what your mother say, but I don't know if you say. So if you get a woman who want to talk to you, when I post the video, woman are going to reach out to you, like be a friend and so. You're willing to accept a friendship. Because you can't go and talk to people, you know. You know you can't talk to people, man. I don't want you just there Cayman and just isolate yourself from every woman and everybody, and you know. Brother, whenever the tunnel dark, there is a light somewhere. Always remember that, brother. There is a light somewhere, so don't give up. Don't give up hope, brother. And you know you are 52. You have little time left on your hand where you can marry and start back a life, said we. Don't give up, man. Everybody have a sad story. But you overcome it. You get what I say, uncle? Yeah, man. And people, you just need people in your circle where mean you're good. Where you can build with, laugh with, talk about, get to know somebody. And people out there share a similar situation like you. I would have glad to meet somebody like you where and them can relate. So I tell you, don't give up. And I can bet you $1 million. Anytime I post the video, you have a whole heap of female that reach out to me. Ask for your number. I tell you. So whatsoever reach out, me give your number and then can talk, and you know, you can be friends and see where you take you. But I don't want you to give up on relationship just because one woman ruin your life. You can build back, brother. The $1 million other and things where you lose, you can get it back. And you're going to surprise to see how you get it back. You understand? You're gonna say Jesus God.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Remember me tell you this today the March 6th. I remember me tell you, posting this video, I gonna change your life. Me not ask you, me I tell you. And you gonna call me back and say, boy brother, you know, say right it. You see me? So me I tell you, hold up your head, don't give up.
Yeah, man.
Keep the faith and thanks for reach out to me. Me did have another video for
Thank you
post
for
this
hearing me
evening
too,
and
you know.
yeah man. I did have our next video for
Thanks.
post this evening, but I think me go post your one. Yeah, me go edit it and put it up this evening. So me go share the link with you. Alright?
Yeah, man.
So if
Thank
nobody
you.
wanna
Come here,
reach out,
subscribe.
subscribe man. Yeah man.
All right, then.
Alright. Big up,
Respect,
big up.
respect, brother.
Alright, all the best.
All right.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Me nah cry still no guys, but Jano Star, boy oh boy. We hear them story over and over. Oh my god. You know much woman up on my channel want a good man. Want a man. Oh, this a man I got trust one woman again. Eh? Oh my god, the one when you think you hear the worst, you hear one after. Oh, this a man I got trust a woman. The man, why oh boy, guys. The one here. Want to share the video for me and anybody out there, ladies, boy, may I tell her. Oh, this a man I got trust people. The man broken, tearing, everything you can think of. 52-year-old, he have a child. He put him all in the lady. Why, lady? Why want to take people things and use people when you don't want them? Just tell them the truth now. You marry the man, eh? And still a give man bun, take him on money. Fix up yourself, start out yourself, empty bank book. Chances are you spend a whole heap on that the man that too. And gone by your business. And the man left with a broken heart in a dark tunnel. But guys, these are the type of topics that we use and educate people while making decisions. In saying one thing right in mind, in mother, he used to tell me as well the song say. Yeah, guys, that one is very emotional. I have to cut out the crying part because I don't really want it out there for nobody take it for joke and laugh of time, but it is real. All who say them story, no matter if they're real, them is 100% real. Alright? Tomorrow, wanna look out for more. Big up on yourself, put a like on the video. I so come here, come live. I can.